there is so much undercurrents and so much of necessity, so much of layers, so much of complexity that as journalists or as mass communication students, you must go into the deeper realms of that reality. Briefly, if you look at a newspaper and if you're doing reporting, a news report is absolutely objective. It's objective means it's completely factual. It is on the spot, on the dot. If 5 people have died, you say 5 people have died, not 6. If 4 people are injured, you say 4 people are injured. You have to get the name of the hospital correct. There's a hospital accident, you have to get the name of the hospital. There's a train accident, you have to get the name of the train, from where it was going, where the accident happened, the place of the tehsil, the district, the village. Okay? You have to be on the spot, first of all, to find out where the train accident happened. How many got injured, how many women, how many children. Right? Right? So objectivity is very, very important. So in a newspaper reportage, when you're doing reporting, you have to be completely impartial and objective. Then you have to be accountable. The news has to be accountable. You cannot lie or fudge. You have to be, it has to be have proximity. Like suppose something happened, a bus accident happens in Himachal Pradesh, people in Himachal Pradesh will be more concerned about that than an accident which is happening in Dubai or in Kerala. So proximity is very, very important. Geographical proximity.